Hi Sharon, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road's Vintage Sewing Machine, and this is your little Elna, and she's done and ready to come home. And this is the final test, just to double check myself, make sure I didn't miss anything. So in this test, I'm going to wind a bobbin, since we replaced your broken bobbin winder, and we're going to do some quick seams just to double check ourselves. And let's see, I'm going to pull off this thread that I put on here. Okay, here we go, winding a bobbin. Okay. So that's working great. Bring out the lower thread. And we're ready to sew. So let's just do a straight seam for starters. Plate vibrates a little bit, the front cover plate. So let's add some zig and some zag to it. And there we go. Okay, just for fun, let's do the multi-stitch zigzag. I believe you have to go to 0 when you change. I'm not sure on that, but I think that when you change your setting here that you need to go to 0 here. But again, yeah, I just don't know. You know this machine better than I do. There you go, nice multi-stitch zigzag. So I'm going to pronounce her cured and ready to come home, and we'll send along an invoice for the work shortly. And thank you. It's been a fun project. I love this little machine.